Today we are at topic 4, part 1 of commercial law, which is consumer protection. Let's get started on this topic. Today we begin consumer protection under the Australian consumer law. The ACL sits in Schedule 2 of the Competition and Consumer Act 2010. It's a national law enforced primarily by the ACCC. Our focus in this part is on misleading and deceptive conduct, Section 18 of the ACL. Section 18 is the cornerstone. It simply says a person must not engage in conduct that is misleading or deceptive. This is an objective test. Would a reasonable person be misled? There is no need to prove intent. Even accidental conduct can breach this provision. It applies broadly to commercial dealings.
In Concrete Constructions versus Nelson, an employee gave false information to another worker about a grade. The High Court held this was not conduct in trade or commerce. The Act only applies where the conduct has a genuine commercial or trading character, not internal employment matter. In Google versus ACC, the question was whether Google was liable for misleading sponsored links in search results. The High Court found Google was not liable. The misleading representations came from advertisers, not Google itself. This case illustrates limits of Section 18's liability. Hanjo Investments versus Collins Merrickville involved a restaurant sold on the basis of false information about seating capacity. The full federal court confirmed that silence can be misleading if it leaves a false impression. So, under Section 18, omissions can be just as deceptive as active lies. A recent case, ACC versus Google LLC number 2, shows how Section 18 applies to digital platforms. Google misled users into thinking location data was off, when in fact it was still being collected. The federal court found this breached the ACL. Google was fined $60 million. This demonstrates the modern reach of consumer law. In case law, Byers versus Dorothy shows how misleading conduct in land sales can breach Section 18. Another case, Butcher versus Lachlan Elder, reality is equally important. The High Court said a real estate agent who simply passed on a brochure without adopting its contents was not liable. This draws a line between making a representation and merely providing information. Section 18 applies not just to contracts but also pre contractual negotiations, statements made in advertising or discussions before signing can be caught. But there are exemptions. If someone clearly acts only as a conduit, like in Butcher's case, liability may not attach. Courts look at the overall impressions created. That's the introduction to consumer protection under the ACL, focusing on misleading and deceptive conduct and some key cases as well. I leave you today with Aristotle's reminder: excellence is not an act but a habit. Thank you for watching Oslo Simplified. Make sure to subscribe for more.